To support National Careers Week this year, we're creating a mini video series to showcase some of the amazing work that's available in the housing sector. In order to do this, we've selected a few talented housing professionals from across the UK to tell us about what they do and what they love about housing as an industry. And you'll hear from them some key tips and advice on how to develop a career in housing. With so much on offer, it's surprising to think there's such a lack of awareness about housing as a profession. So many people leaving education are missing out on the chance to build a rewarding career with fantastic development opportunities. And it also means that housing organisations are missing out on so much new talent that could be helping them to achieve their ambitions and continue to make such a positive impact on society. It's a great time to join the housing sector. It's a growing industry with a clear social purpose, and it offers a huge range of career opportunities. Whatever your skill set, the chances are that these skills could be applied somewhere within a housing organisation. It's a sector that embraces change and innovation, and it offers a challenging and rewarding environment where you can develop essential key skills. These include complex problem solving, creative thinking, partnership working and negotiation, leading through change, and the ability to communicate at all levels. Housing is a sector that never stands still, and people leaving education or thinking about a change in direction have an amazing opportunity to apply these skills in a sector that makes a real and lasting difference to people's lives. So please look out for our mini video series and share amongst your wider network, and let's showcase these real life examples from passionate housing professionals who absolutely love what they do. If you're watching this and you want to know more about building a career in housing, then please visit our website and get in touch.